Here we go again, guys. Your Dora the Explorer is ready to navigate the map again. And you know what? This is our fifth destination then on this holiday Easter trip. So do you think where we gonna go? Of course, we will see Cardiff, Wales. Welcome to Wales. And that's their railway station. So coming here, guys, is we use the train, which is the cross country. I know we are here in our B&B, which is the River House, and it's only 10 to 15 minutes walk from the railway station, and this is how it looks like. So for our first day here in Cardiff, we took a quick walk and we found the Millennium Stadium right in front of the River House B&B where we stayed. Actually, guys, we just had a walk and we don't know our destination until we end up to one of the park which is near, and that's what they call the Bute Park. Where are you going? Right after the Bute Park, we're heading to this castle, and this is what they call the Cardiff Castle, which is, it takes about 6 minutes. And now, guys, we are heading out from the Cardiff Castle, and you will see directly across the road is what they call the Castle Quarter Arcades, which is the bustling commercial shops of Cardiff City Centre. I can buy those wigs there. Go down.
Merci.
Got the video. No, I thought I got it earlier.
Give me this bike so save you.
And guys, that's what happened whole day doing a walk tour of the Cardiff City Centre and the arcades. I would say it was really nice looking at all the shops and old buildings. And yeah, we'll also one of the nice structure, which is the upside down house, which is right outside the Capital Shopping Center. And of course, I just like this Metro Bank, which is, I thought it's only in the Philippines, but also in Cardiff. Metro Bank. And look guys, what I found. Jollibee is in here. Just near to the city center guys, you will see their new theater. We're heading to the Gorset Gardens. In the Gorset Gardens, you can find their City Hall also, and the Cardiff Crown Court. That's the end of our 2 days tour here in Wales Cardiff, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.